Hey everyone, welcome to the SEM Analytics YouTube channel, your go-to place for all SEM related analytical use cases. This is Vicky here, your host for this video. Today, we will look into the different types of constraints in linear programming. Let's get started. In the previous video, we discussed about how ABC Cosmetic Company could meet its sales target at minimum cost of advertising. We call this problem as an advertising mix OR problem. Here, the objective is to achieve a minimum target set by the management using minimum resources. These type of problems are called cost-benefit trade-off problems. We need the following input for these type of problems. Here, each criteria, which is formulated using the decision variable, means the minimum acceptable level. The unit and cost per activity are also the required data points. Examples of constraints are the minimum sales or the minimum number of resources required, etc. In the resource allocation problem, it's quite opposite to the cost-benefit trade-off problem. Here, the objective of the management is to make the best use of the resources available. Max limits for the resources are given for each activity, and we are interested in allocating the resources in an optimal way for maximization. Examples for these problems are maximizing the profit by having max limits on the number of resources available at a factory or a warehouse, or capital budgeting in financial markets to get the maximum net present value on investments. Here, the data requirement are the total amount of resources available for each activity, the amount of is required by an activity, and the contribution per unit of activity to measure the overall performance. In fixed requirement constraint, we usually see it in transportation or assignment problems. We'll discuss these other problems in a later video. All you have to understand is that we need to solve for the math model to meet an exact equal criteria, where the amount provided is equal to required amount. In the real world, we rarely encounter a problem where the constraints are related to cost benefit or resource allocation or fixed requirement. It's often a mix of all these type of constraints, which is called a mixed problems. That's all for today. The contents presented in this video is available in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon for updates on future videos. Until then, take care, bye, and happy learning.